What's going on YouTube? Today we are opening up a booster box of Dragon Ball Z. Let's get to it. Alright guys, we are back. We are opening up a full booster box of Vermilion Bloodline, the newest set in Dragon Ball Z, before the new set comes out in January. So the main chase card, like you guys might have seen, is actually this guy that we pulled off camera though, unfortunately. So this is probably the end goal, to try and pull another one. So I'm gonna get this open and we gonna start it up quick. So we are just gonna get straight into it. Basically anything that's BROLY, is pretty valuable in this pack. So BROLY, dark BROLY, there we go right there. So we go set that one to the side. Dark BROLY, the new Mass Saiyan, Majin Buu, Master Roshi tweaking, BBD, I thought it was Babidi, but here we go. Son Goku, and last but not least, Super Saiyan BROLY, unlimited power. So throw that up here. Let me know guys, how are you guys doing with this pack? Have you pulled the Super Saiyan 4 BROLY yet? Me, got one, looking for as many as possible. Mighty Strike Prince of Destruction Vegeta. So I know there's something like this is another one of those, I believe, yeah, another one of those BROLY cards. So we go stick this up to the side, but I know there is like a jumbo pack coming out, but I'm not really sure what those are. So if someone can come in the comments and let me know what those are. Violent Rays, and I'm pretty sure this is a strong card as well. So we are going to throw that up here. So yeah, to the best of my knowledge, the jumbo cards are kind of like to help fill your deck, I guess. I don't know, like supporters or something. Maybe if someone can like kind of break it down for me, because I am new to this game, but it is something that I kind of want to be educated on. I don't want to just like I'm pulling the hardest card every time. I kind of want to know, you know, how this game actually goes and what actually like a jumbo box is. So dark BROLY, we'll put that to the side. I'm not sure. I'll look up, you know, as far as what I could probably package together, help me buy some more of these, just so that we can keep it going. Deborah and Super Saiyan 3 Peerless Warrior, which is pretty, I'm not gonna say it's rare. I mean, it is a rare card, but it's rare that I see a Goku Super Saiyan 3 in this set. So if you guys didn't know, booster boxes for Dragon Ball Z come with 24 packs, as opposed to like Pokemon. That's actually a pretty cool card. Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta, KO Savage Berserker, as opposed to Pokemon that comes with 36, but each pack comes with 12 cards, as opposed to Pokemon where it is 12, I believe. Yeah, it's 12. So it's kind of like you get probably a couple more commons as opposed to the really strong rares. Haru, Shun sister, and Raditz, young Raditz. Son Gohan, energy field. Son Goku. Again, I believe, yeah, Super Saiyan Blue. Goku, another energy field. And a Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta Technique Unchained. Really cool. What? Kind of fanning out really quick. Instant transmission times 10 Kamehameha. So this is when Goku's Super Saiyan 4, so this has got to be from GT. But times 10, so what did he go? Kaioken? Must have been crazy strong. Mr. Buu, Son Goku, Baby, Super Saiyan Gotenks, Friendship Fusion, and last but not least, I have never seen this before. Super Saiyan 3 Vegeta. I don't know. I don't even know when he went Super Saiyan 3. Oob, the Power of Hope. Broly, Savage Rush. Planet Truffle. Super Saiyan 4, Son Goku, Guardian of History. Nappa, Baby, Son Goku. And this is Krillin, moments before comeback. And this looks like when he was fighting Garlic Jr. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it kind of looks like Garlic Jr. Super Saiyan 3, Son Goku, Babidi, Gravy, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Dark Blast Stinger, Gotenks, Extravagant Assault. This is when he uses, I believe it's Ghost Kamehameha, Vinegar of the Demonic Elite, and Vegeta, Disciplined Warrior. Nice. Broly, the Awakened Demon. Broly, the Savage Rush. Thought we was gonna go with an all Broly setup here, but I guess not. This is when Baby took over Vegeta. Baby, the Diabolic Parasite. And Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta, Technique Unchained. Solid card. Really nice. Cool. So we gonna actually put that up there. I know that card looks wild. Babidi, Son Goku, Bulma looking crazy. Piccolo, Majin Buu, Son Goku, Fidel, and last but not least, Son Gohan, Baby's minion. This is when Baby took over all the kids, I believe, to fight Goku. Majin Vegeta. Final Shine Attack. Deborah. Garlic Jr. again. Shenron. And last but not least, the Mighty Strike Prince of Destruction, Vegeta. Go Tanks, Son Gohan, Super Water Gods, Karen, Bruh, Baby Spirited Truffle, Vegeta, Son Goku, Time Patrol Elites, and last but not least, Go Tanks, Earth Shattering Might. That's a really cool card. Just look at the hollow effect. Thing I do love about Dragon Ball as opposed to Pokemon is that gold chrome that they have on their cards. It's like a really cool effect. Fidel, Rebellion Hammer, Piccolo, Power, Dr. Mirror, Baby Artificial Life Form, Bulma Hollow, and the Super Saiyan Prince Strikes Back. He always striking back. Tower, Tardo, Friendship, Baby Spirited Truffle, Majin Buu, Son Goku Forever on Our Memories. It's nice, I believe. I don't know what they're technically called, but it's like a reverse hollow. It's a really cool card. And last but not least, another Shenron Dragon, the Diabolic. I actually like this card really. Higher Dragon, Son Goku, Super Bolts Wave Generator. That's when they cheated to get Vegeta to Super Saiyan 4 so he can help out Goku, and Gogeta, Fusion of the Gods. Boo Boo Volleyball. That's when they were doing a bunch. That's the only thing I didn't like about the Boo Saga, when Go Tanks, so then they kind of did like the childish techniques or whatever. It was kind of like testing their creativity, but to me it was kind of And then Rebellion Hammer, and last but not least, Super Saiyan BROLY, the Rampaging Monstrosity. Put this Rebellion Hammer up here. Energy Field, Trunks Bond of Friendship, Power Absorption, Gotenks Extravagant Assault, Paragus, Sheila, and Gotenks Earth Shattering Might. So this is the alternate version of the one that we pulled earlier. So we'll check that out in a minute. Paragus, Bulma, Putin, Son Gohan, Baby, Final Shine Light, Nemo, Baby, Raditz, Super Ice Ray from one of the Shenron Dragons. BROLY Bonafide Saiyan, Piccolo, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Dark Absorption Power, Oob, Paragus again, and Dark BROLY, Deep Realm Ravager. It's a pretty cool card, so we'll go put that up there. All BROLY's up. So it doesn't look like we're gonna end up getting a God Pack, which is something that I really want to pull just to check it out. God Packs, like the all hollows in one pack. Bardock, Strategic Mind. That's a really cool card with the red. And down to the last pack, which of course has a Super Saiyan 4 BROLY in it, right? Son Gohan, Dark BROLY, and a Paragus combination card. Higher Dragon, Gravy, Spirit Truffle, Son Goku, Vegeta, and Vegeta Ready to Rumble. So if nothing more, hopefully this unboxing, gives you guys a better gauge and what you might pull out of a full booster box. So if you guys enjoy the content, like, subscribe, more Dragon Ball on the way, leave a comment, let me know. Until next time, peace.